Jada, I love you. G.I. Jane 2, can't wait to see it. All right? That was a nice one. Okay. I'm out here. Richard. Oh, wow. Wow. Will Smith just smacked the shit. Wow, dude.
Yes.
It was a G.I. Jane jump.
Keep my wife's name out your mouth.
I'm going to, okay? Okay. That was a greatest night in the history of television. Okay. Okay.
Okay, here's why that entire exchange made me very uncomfortable. I was embarrassed for Lupita Nyong'o in the audience sitting behind Will, who didn't know how to react in this very live, very real situation. When the movie came out with G.I. Jane, the people were shocked. Oh my God, Demi cut all of her long, gorgeous hair. But then, you know, you were able to see her beautiful face, and then that was all people could talk about. Oh my gosh, she's so hot, she's so sexy, she's so beautiful. So that further added to Demi's mystique going forward. Anyway, I don't think that it was the joke at all. As a matter of fact, Will kind of chuckles. Jada rolls her eyes because it's like, yeah, I've heard it before. Probably could have moved right on from that. As a matter of fact, I think Chris was trying to move on from that before he got hit in the face. It should have been an easy breezy move on kind of moment. But instead, intolerance was demonstrated at the highest level. Now, granted, Will and Jada Smith have been the butt of many jokes, especially in the past couple of years. From the whole August Alsina and entanglement mess, and situations in their life have played out and have caused people to poke fun over and over and over again. And guess what? It gets exhausting. And it pains us, and it feels cruel. But does that mean we have to respond here for moments that aren't here? That wasn't a here joke. I wish I had a dime for every time somebody said something about this dome of mine. But I can't respond in real life like an ass. Will Smith, I love you. Always have. And you've got so many great things happening right now. Not just for you, but for people connected to you. Don't let this be your story. Make it right.